exciting times are here. Everybody's been waiting. Even though literally nobody cares about you.
No one cares. I hope you enjoyed that little Q&A. Again, like this question was directed towards me. It's a real question from a real viewer.
Yeah, genuinely.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chantal here at Thrifty30. Thanks for joining me today. We'll do a little Q&A today. So I have some questions from who? From all these people right here?
Yeah, from all your viewers.
All my viewers. You
sent in some really interesting questions.
Sent in some great questions. If you guys have any questions for me, just please go to this link right here, somewhere on this screen. Okay? That's if you're on a computer. If you're on your phone, just forget I even sent anything. It'll be in the description box down below. And your question could be featured in my next Q&A. What is the first question from my lovely viewers?
I don't know if you're gonna be able to handle these questions. Okay, first question, how do you get your kids to bed?
That's a great question. Do you know who asked this one?
Or
is it anonymous?
Catherine someone.
Catherine. So how do I get my kids to bed? You need a routine every single day. It's very vital to be on a strict schedule every day. My kids pretty much like clockwork. They get up at a certain time, they take a nap at a certain time, they go to bed at a certain time. Get into a routine, do it every day. It might take you a week or 2 weeks to get into a routine, but once you do it, you'll be very happy.
Things I should do every day around the house? From Betty.
Betty. Okay.
Right, Betty, it says Betty Boop. I'm assuming that's, I'm assuming
Are these anonymous
I'm assuming
people?
that's anonymous.
Let's see, what do I do? Before I go to bed, I try to get all the dishes done. This doesn't happen every night, but when you get up in the morning, it makes things easier. Pick up around your house before you go to bed. Just do a little bit. Pick maybe 5 things to do during the day, and your house will slowly but surely stay clean all the time.
What's your best tip on saving money? Hyphen. JJ.
JJ.
Like J period, like its initials.
Oh.
JJ.
So when you go to the store, I always think about, okay, well, if I get the store brand or the name brand, what exactly is the difference? Now in some items, there is a difference. You can taste it, you can see it, but for the most part, store brand is usually a lot cheaper, and I tend to go with the store brand over name brand. That's one way to save money when you're going grocery shopping. Also, there are items you can get at like Dollar Tree, Target, Dollar Spot, all those places you can save money and get the things you need.
Next question. How do I cheer myself up on a bad day?
Okay, like if I'm having a bad day, I do the things that I need to get done. I know, like, I'm not gonna get everything done that day. My kids go down for a nap. I will take that hour or 2, whatever it is, just for myself. I will not clean, I will not do laundry. I don't even care if it needs to be done. I will just go and sit and either read, make a phone call, talk to somebody, or listen to music. I feel like that just like revitalizes me.
Sylvia wants to know what your favorite 3 things to do are.
3 things that I like to do? Only 3?
Your favorite, like your top 3.
My top 3. Sleeping.
Same.
Napping.
Me too.
And did I mention sleeping?
Yeah. Oh, those are literally my 3 favorite things to do.
Get out.
And eat.
Seriously, my 3 favorite things. All right, let's think about this. Cooking, riding a motorcycle, and reading.
And the last question is anonymous again, as they always are, because nobody wants to say who they are. How do you stay motivated? This is kind of an open-ended question.
Yeah.
I think they're just saying in general.
Like in general.
How do you not die?
Because you wake up and you do what you gotta do. That is how I survived for the last 29 years.
Join you on the camera for the ending.
Okay, so I got my booze.
Yes.
So anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next week in a brand new video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Left hand.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mwah. It was good to see you again.
And you.
And you.
And you.